So today we will be working on the code identification drawing, and if you want to take the screenshot of the drawing and work along with me, we'll name all the drainage we see here and then all the ventings that we'll see here. Only the name. Yeah, let's begin. So this is the drawing here. By looking at it, it's just a building, sanitary building drain here, and then if you know, this is the rainwater leader combined building drain scenario as well here. So as here it's asking what's pipe number 1 is. So this is the stack here. So as soon as it comes to the horizontal, it becomes sanitary building drain, and this is a leader, and then as soon as it comes to horizontal, it becomes storm building drain, and when these come together, becomes a combined building drain. So pipe number 1 will be combined building drain. Pipe number 2 will be your storm building drain. Pipe number 3 will be your sanitary building drain. Pipe number 4 will be, so pipe number 4 is at the first floor here. This portion here will be a fixture drain, and it's not venting any other, so just fixture drain. It won't be a trap arm because trap arm ends where the vent connected, so that will be just fixture drain. So pipe number 5 will be still sanitary building drain. Pipe number 6 here will be your branch because it's picking up these lavatories, we will call them just for example. So they are symmetrically connected, coming down to the same pipe, make it a branch. So this will be your branch. Pipe 7 will be still your storm building drain. Pipe number 8 will be your stack, so we'll call it soil or waste stack, so we'll call it south. Pipe number 9 will be your vertical. It's called, either you can call it rainwater leader or just leader. So pipe number 10 is over here. So pipe number 10, this is our circuit venting scenario. At pipe 10 it will be a fixture drain, it won't be a trap arm because there's a vent coming before that, so will be just a fixture drain. Pipe 11 will be your branch because it's collecting 2 fixtures, so it will be branch. And pipe 12 will be still your branch. Pipe 13 is asking over this vertical pipe here, that'll be your soil or waste stack. It's not wet venting anything. So pipe 14 which is over here, so pipe 14, if you see, it's wet venting the water closet, this here water closet and your bathtub. So pipe 14 will be your south, acting as wet vent. And now pipe 15, because there is no vent pipe here, so will be a trap arm because it's only a 1 fixture, so will be a trap arm and fixture drain. So pipe 15 will be your trap arm and fixture drain. So you have to give both the names. Okay, now when it comes to venting, so remember, anytime you see wet vent, the vent on top of the wet vent will be either a continuous vent or stack vent. So this is on just a one story. This is only from coming from one floor. So it's not wet venting anything. So it's coming off at the vertical drain pipe. So it will be a individual and continuous vent. So it will be individual and continuous vent. Pipe B will be, it's coming off the vertical section of the drainage pipe, and it's symmetrically connecting two fixtures. So it will be dual and continuous vent. C will be over here. So this is connecting directly to here. So this here is a circuit venting system here. So C, the most upstream vent, the vent after the most upstream fixture will be a circuit vent. See, D, because it's connecting this vent here and after circuit vent. So after connecting two minor vents, D becomes your branch vent. And E will be your relief vent, which is a part of the circuit venting system. So will be your relief vent. F will be your stack vent, because this is coming from more than one story here. So, and it's on top of the stack, so it will be stack vent. G, it will be branch, because it's connecting, this is a branch and then it's picking up another relief vent. So two minor vent and it's the branch vent. H will be your stack vent, because this is a major vent continuing all the way to up there. So it will be a stack vent. And if you guys have any question, just drop it down in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer it.